Good morning friends, I am Dr. Raman Raj. Today I will be discussing with you some general points about heart diseases and some general do's and don'ts and how to avoid the heart diseases. First of all, I will be discussing about heart pain or cardiac pain. What type of pain is probably due to heart disease? Chest pain, which is central in location, or retrosternal in location, means the chest pain which is diffuse, not localized, occurring in the central part of chest pain, which is radiating to your upper arm or your back or your jaw, is most probably due to heart disease. Pain which is occurring during exertion or walking is most probably due to heart disease. And pain which is of constricting type or pressing type or choking type of sensation is most probably due to heart disease. And when pain is associated with shortness of breath or palpitation or symptoms like dizziness and it is relieved by rest or nitrate, it is most probably due to heart disease. Angina or chest pain due to heart disease is most commonly caused due to critical blockage in arteries supplying the blood to heart itself, that is coronary artery blockage. When the coronary artery blockage is more than 70% of the luminal area, then the symptoms of angina pectoris commonly occurs. And as the blockage increases, the symptoms in the patient increases, and when this blockage suddenly increases to 100% due to various reasons, then heart attack occurs, which is called myocardial infarction in medical language. Heart disease, as we know, is a multifactorial disease. That is, it is caused by multiple risk factors. Risk factors can be divided into modifiable risk factors and non-modifiable risk factors. Modifiable risk factors are most important that we can modify, and thus heart disease can be prevented. And the non-modifiable risk factors are like increasing age, male gender, family history of heart disease. If your parents are having heart disease or your sibling is having heart disease, then you have higher chances of getting heart disease. And coming to most important factors, that is modifiable risk factors, the most important modifiable risk factors of heart disease is hypertension or high blood pressure. High blood pressure can be attributable to more than 60% cause of stroke worldwide and more than 50% cause of heart disease worldwide. Approximately 25 to 30% of our general population is suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension. And so it is recommended that every adult should get his blood pressure checked yearly after 20 to 25 years. And if one has high blood pressure detected, then he should avoid taking tobacco. He should control